erupted over historic Nehru letters. The BJP says that the Congress has been lying for all these years. The letters are not missing, their whereabouts are fully known, and here's the truth. Union Culture Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat says that 51 cartons were officially handed to Sonia Gandhi in 2008 on a special request. The government has directed Sonia Gandhi to return the letters as scholars, researchers, students and citizens have a right to access the original documentary sources to and arrive as far as when it comes to a truthful and balanced understanding of Jawaharlal Nehru's life. Now, 17 years later, the government has demanded its return to the Prime Minister's Museum and Library, asserting that these documents belong to public archives, not to a political party. Now, the Union Minister has also asked the Congress party what the Gandhi family is hiding from the country. This comes a day after the Congress demanded an apology, citing the centre's admission that none of Nehru's papers were missing. Later, Shekhawat clarified that the letters are not missing, their whereabouts are fully known, and they are currently with Sonia Gandhi. Now, this has irked the Congress, with the leaders attacking the Prime Minister for constantly focusing on Nehru. Congress MP Sukhdev Bhagat has said that since 2014, every move and every policy seems to revolve around Nehru. Another leader, Imran Masood, took a potshot stating that breathing has become difficult in Delhi, rupee has weakened, economy is declining, yet the government worries about Nehru.
मैं समझता हूं कि जब से मोदी जी आए हैं 2014 से लेकर अभी तक 25 तक में इनकी पूरी प्रक्रियाएं, उनकी सारी चीजें नेहरू जी के इर्द गिर्द ही घूम रही है। और आपने देखा होगा जिस प्रकार नेशनल हेराल्ड केस में जो चीजें आई हैं, ये कहीं न कहीं मैं समझता हूं कि इसकी कभी बोलते हैं मिसिंग है, कभी बोलते हैं इनके पास पत्र है। तो पहले इसलिए मैंने कहा कि डिसाइड कर ले, और क्योंकि स्थिति ये है कि सत्य के साथ ये तो चलते नहीं है, तो हमेशा इस प्रकार की चीजें बोलते हैं। आज भी ये जरूर कहना चाहिए, हमारे जो धरोहर है वो हमारे राष्ट्र के जो धरोहर है वो राष्ट्र के पास है।
मैं ये मांग करता हूं कि आजादी की लड़ाई से पहले भी जितने माफीनामे थे, जितने वो पत्र थे जो पेंशन के लिए लिखे गए थे, जितने वो पत्र थे जो भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन को कुचलने के लिए लिखे गए थे, जितने वो पत्र थे जो अंग्रेजों को के सेना में भर्ती करने के लिए लिखे गए थे, सब पत्र, जितने ऐतिहासिक पत्र है, सब इस सदन में चर्चा रखा जाए और चर्चा हो जाए, देश को जानने का हक है।
We're going to leave you with these heart-rending